Kumusta? By the way, Ate Lady, happy birthday. I wish you all the best. Ingat palagi. God bless. More birthday to come. And more candle to blow.
Happy birthday, Ate Lena. More birthday to celebrate. Still healthy, still young. I love you.
Hello then, happy birthday. Sana marami pang birthday dumating sa'yo. Thank you sa pagkain. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ate Lenny! Happy birthday to you! More birthdays to come and good health. Take care. Love you.
Happy birthday, Ate Lena. Sana bigyan ko pa ng huan. Taas na kinabuhi. Yun lang.
Hi ate, happy birthday. Sana ma-enjoy mo yung birthday mo ngayong araw. At kahit may gera, go. I-celebrate natin yan. Wish ko lang sa'yo, sana magkaroon ka ng good health, tsaka mahaba pang buhay, tsaka lalo ka pang i-bless ng ating Ama kasi alam naman namin kung gaano ka kabuti. Kaya enjoy your date, go. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, ate. Wish ko lang, ate, marami ka pang dadating na birthday. At saka, wag ka sana magbago. Ituloy mo lang yung pagiging mabuti mo para mas marami kang matatanggap na biyaya galing sa taas at galing sa mga kaibigan mo. Enjoy lang, ate. Happy birthday.
Hi Ate Lenny, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Ate Lenny. Happy birthday to you. Mwah. Thank you so much, ate. Napakabait mong ate sa aming lahat at nakaka-inspired ka kasi lagi ka lang cool at nakasmile at ang galing magluto at syempre rocker na ate yan sa amin.